Assalamualaikum. I am Abdurrafe and you are watching CAD Work. Today I am going to tell you about the polyline edit command, PEDIT command in AutoCAD. In this video I will teach you how to edit a drawing which is made with polyline. If you do not know about the polyline, you can watch our previous video. The link of the previous video is in the description below. You can also watch this video. Let's start. Open AutoCAD software. Here I already made up lines with polyline. The short form of polyline edit command, PEDIT command, is PE. You can simply type PE and press enter. And you can also click here to use the polyline edit command and select the polyline to be edited. Here you see the different options to edit your polyline. The first one is close. This is used to close your polyline drawing. It will join your first point and the last point of polyline. The next one is join the width, added vertex, width, spline, decurve, L-type, gen, reverse, undo. We will apply close. Here you can see the first and the last point is joined now. It is closed. You can click open and then you can see it is open now. Here is the width. You can click on it and change the width of our polygon. The next is added vertex. Here are different options: move, break, previous, and many others. Here is also the width option. Break. You can also break the polyline. You can make a tangent. There is an option of spline. By clicking it, you can see the whole P line or polyline is converted into a spline drawing. You can decurve it using the decurve. You can reverse it and undo the actions you done using these editing tools. Hope you like our video. If you like the video, please click the bell icon for the notifications for the upcoming videos. Like this video, share this video, and if you have any question in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.